What nutrients should I monitor in my CKD diet? CKD patients must carefully monitor and regulate several important nutrients. Protein, while indispensable for body growth and repair, can be a double-edged sword. In excessive amounts, it can overburden kidneys, causing issues. Sodium is another nutrient that shouldn't be overlooked. Excess amounts of this substance can cause fluid retention and high blood pressure, putting extra strain on the kidneys. Potassium plays a pivotal role in muscle and nerve function. Kidneys in a weakened state have trouble removing extra potassium, which can cause dangerous levels in the blood. Furthermore, it is crucial to address the levels of phosphorus. Elevated phosphorus can adversely impact bone health in CKD patients, leading to further complications. Regular blood tests, keeping track of what you eat, and talking to a dietitian are important for managing nutrient levels.